Good morning, class. So today we are going to be having a very nice lesson. We're going to have a very nice lesson. It's our last lesson, ne? And it's going to be on mathematics, ne? We're going to be doing some maths today. We're going to be doing some maths together, and it's going to be about doubling. Do you know doubling? Okay, so I'm going to explain to you in a way that you can understand, ne? So, what we'll be doing is we're going to be adding, we're going to be building numbers, ne? Do you know building numbers? Yes, so we're going to be building numbers, and today we're going to build them in a very special way. I'm going to show you. I'll show you how we'll build them, ne? We will build our numbers in a very special way. So, we'll be building numbers. So, before we start building our numbers, we're going to start by going through counting numbers in a way that we know, ne? Do you know about counting numbers from 1 to 10? Yes, so that is what we're going to use today as we build our numbers. So, we're going to start by building our numbers from 0 we'll build them from 0 to 5. And after I have seen that you understand this, we're going to do 0 we will do 0 to 10. So we're also going to make use of some nice building blocks, ne? We'll also make use of some nice building blocks so that we can count properly. You can count them. So after doing this, I'm going to have a nice activity for you. You'll be drawing some things, ne? You'll be drawing some things. So let's just start by doing the simple stuff that we know. We'll start by doing the simple stuff that we know, ne? And I know this is easy for you guys. I know this is easy for you. Let's count from 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. So we counted from 0 to 10. So who can tell me the number that we started on? Yes. Yes, started from 0. Which number did it end on? Yes. 10. Yes, we ended at 10. So we're going to do this the same way you do it when you are counting from 0 to 8, ne? Yes, so who can tell me the number that is after? You still remember the concept of after and before, ne? Yes. So when counting from 0 to 10, which direction are you counting in? Yes, so you're counting forward. And when you count forward, what happens? The numbers are getting bigger and bigger. Yes? Yes, yes, yes. The numbers are getting bigger and bigger. Yes? We're building up the numbers. Yes? Yes, the numbers are getting bigger.
We're not reversing the numbers.
We're not neglecting the numbers. Yes. The numbers are not getting smaller and smaller. Yes. The numbers are growing. Okay, so this is what we're going to do today. We're going to be building our numbers. We're going to build numbers, which means our numbers are going to be growing. Our numbers will be growing, and we're going to do this from 0 to 10. We'll do it from 0 to 10. But then now, let us look at the numbers that build up 10. Do you know the numbers that build up 10? Yes. So, okay, let's start from 5. The numbers that build up 5. Do you see this chart here?
Yes.
So this is how we're going to do it. For numbers that build up 5, we have 0 and 5. When we bring them together, when we bring 5 and 0 together, what do we get? Not
5.
yes, we get 5. Not we get 5. When we bring 0 and 5 together, when we add them, yes, when we add them, we get it's 0 plus 5. We get 5. Another number that we have is 4 and 1. You see 4 and 1. When we have 4 and 1, we have 4, we bring it together with 1. When we count them, what do we get? Yes, we get 5. The other one that we have is 3 and 2. We have 3 and 2. When we count them in total, what do we get? Yes, we also get 5. And here we also have 4 and 1 again. What do we get? 4 and 1 when we bring them together. Yes, we still get 5, right? But then we are getting 5 by using different numbers. Do you see that? You can use different numbers to get the same number, which is 5. So now we're going to use, we're going to break down 10. We're going to make it smaller. Use smaller numbers to get 10. So here we have our nice 10. We have our nice 10 here. Now we're looking for two numbers that we can add in order to get 10. We only need to use two numbers that we can add so that we can get 10. Which numbers can you think of? Yes, we have 5 and 5. When we bring together 5 and another 5, what do we get? Yes. So we have 5 and another 5. Right? We have 5 and another 5. What other numbers can you think of? This is our spaceship, right? Do you see our spaceship? We need to have two more numbers so that it can fly away and go to space. We need two numbers that can add up to 10. Which two numbers are those? Any two numbers that we only need two numbers that we can add up to get 10. We need to build 10 using two numbers. Which two numbers can you think of? Yes. 5 and 5. Yes. What other two numbers can you think of? Yes.
8 and 2.
8 and 2. We also have 8 and 2. We can also use these ones to build 10. Let's think of other numbers now. What other numbers can you think of? Yes?
10 and 5.
No, it's not 10 and 5. It is 10 and which other number that can give us 10? That can give us 10? Yes?
10 and 5.
Not 10 and 5. Yes?
10 and 0.
Yes. So in order to get 10, when we use 10 and another number, that number needs to be 0. Next, when we are building 10, if we use 10 as one number, the other number needs to be 0. So so that when you bring them together, you bring 10 and nothing. Eh? That means you still get 10. Yes. So we have 10 and 0. Yes. Okay, wait, let me draw another one. What other numbers can you think of? Yes, 9 and 1. When you bring them together, we also get 10. Can you think of other numbers? What other numbers can you think of? For let's make this our last spaceship. After this, they're all going to fly now. What other numbers can you think of that can build up to 10? No, it's not 0 and 5. Yes? No. 9 and 2 make 11. Yes? 7 and 3. Yes. So 7 and 3 also make 10. When we have 7, we have 7, and then put 3 there. What do we get? We get 10. We have 7, and then we add 3. We get 10. Yes. So we have 7 and 3. So now, what we'll be concentrating on today. So this is our first spaceship. It disappears. You know aliens? Aliens took it. Our first spaceship went away. Our second spaceship now, it disappears too. This one disappears too. Where are they all going? Where are they all going?
Space.
Yes, they're going to space. This one also disappears. We are left with one. We are left with one spaceship now. Do you see what is in the spaceship? We have 10 here. We have 10 and we have the numbers that build up 10. What numbers are those? What numbers are in the spaceship now? Here at the bottom. Yes? We have 5 and 5. Can you see that the numbers are the same? We have 5 and 5. That make up 10. So, this is what we're going to be concentrating on today. We'll be using the same numbers. We'll be using the same numbers to build a bigger number. We use the same numbers to build a bigger number. So, this is called doubling. This is called doubling. We can call it doubling or building numbers using the same numbers. We build a number using the same numbers. So, I want us to do this together. So, since I want us to do this together, I'm going to give you this white paper. This is where we are going to do everything so I can understand it clearly. I want you to understand everything. So I will tell you what to do with the papers next. I will tell you what to do with the papers. You can put it like this, like this. No, like this. So we're going to hold our papers like this, ne? We'll hold our papers like this. And I will explain to you what we will do, ne? Now I will be using this as my paper. I will use this big board as my paper, ne? I'll explain everything to you. I'll explain everything to you.
Hello, shut up.
So now that we all have our papers, ne? Let me explain to you what we will be doing today, ne? So I told you that we will be using two numbers that are the same to build a bigger number, ne? We'll be using two numbers that are the same to build one number that is bigger. Yes. So so this is the same as when we add the number to itself, ne? We have 5 and we add another 5 to it. What do we get? We get 10, ne? We use 5 and add another 5 to it, and then we get the 10. So this spaceship is about to fly away too, ne? Should it fly away? You don't want it to fly away?
Yes, we are.
You want it to fly away or not? Okay, wait, ne? So this is what we'll do. The spaceship is going to stay for now, ne? The spaceship will stay for now. And we will do other stuff then. But then it also needs to fly away. The aliens need to go now. So this one we will be doing, ne? This one we will be doing. So here we have 5. And we add another 5 to it in order to get 10. So because I want you to understand this, ne? What 5 things can we draw? We need to draw 5 things that are the same, ne? What can we draw? Yes. 5 hearts. Okay, we can draw 5 hearts. What other 5 things can we draw? You love diamonds. You said that last week. You love diamonds, ne? So this one we will do. Each person they can draw 5 shapes, but then you can choose your own shape, ne? You only need to choose one shape. If you choose diamonds, you can draw 5 diamonds, ne? If you choose hearts, you can draw 5 hearts. If you choose a circle, you only draw 5 circles, ne? Your shapes need to be the same. You can only choose one shape, ne? So I'm going to choose my shape. What can I choose? Which shape can I choose? Yes? A star.
Yes.
Yes, I'm going to choose. I'm a star.
Yeah.
So I'm going to choose a star, ne?
Everyone is happy.
Okay. So this is my first star, ne? You can also draw your own shape, ne? You don't have to draw a star, you can draw any shape that you like, ne? You can draw any shape that you like. You can draw a circle, but then they have to be 5, ne?
Should we start?
Yes, you can draw with me here. Well, I have my first star. My second star. So I have my second star. Yo, my star is ugly, ne? Is it beautiful?
Yes.
Okay. This is my third star. My fourth star. Yeah? And then my fifth star. Did you also draw the 5 shapes? What did you draw? Which shapes did you use? Yes?
Heart.
You used hearts. Yes. You used circles. Yes, which shapes are you using? Huh? Which shapes are you using? You are using diamonds. Yes?
Diamond.
You're also using diamonds. Yes. Which shapes are you using?
Heart.
You're using hearts. You're also using stars. Which shapes are you using? Who used the square here? Who used the square? You use squares, man? Yes. You also use squares. You use hearts. Ah, you guys love hearts, man? Okay, so now use the star. Okay, so
I use a diamond.
okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now you see here we have 5 stars, ne? Here we have 5 stars. So we are going to double these stars, ne? We are going to double them. So when we double them, it means we are going to draw another 5 stars and then count them, ne? To get the total number of stars we have at the end. So let's draw another 5 stars together. Or any shape that we drew there. But let's draw another 5 shapes. So, you're done. So, you can see we have 5 stars and another 5 stars at the bottom, ne? We have 5 stars and another 5 stars at the bottom. So, are you done? Yes, so now we're going to count the total number of stars that we have next. We will count the total number of stars that we have. Let's count them together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ne? And at the bottom we have another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this means we have 5 at the top and 5 at the bottom. When we bring them together, what do we get? Let's count them together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. So you see, we use the same number to get a bigger number. This is doubling. We call this doubling. We bring two numbers together that are the same in order to get one big number. So, which other number can we use? Just give me any number from 1 to 10. Any number. Yes. Let's use 9. Just one number. Let's use 9. So we have 9 here. We have 9. So we need to use this napkin. Let's say we have another spaceship. We're going to make another spaceship. We have our spaceship here, and she gave us 9. She gave us 9. So we have our 9 here. We have our 9 here. And here we also going to have another 9. We need to use these numbers to build the number at the top. We need to use these same numbers to build the number at the top. So, what numbers can we draw? This. Okay, so we're going to draw 9 circles. I'm going to draw 9 circles. So this is how we're going to do it. We draw 9 circles and another 9 circles. At the end, we count them to find the number at the top. Yes. So let's draw our circles. We draw 9 circles. Now we're all drawing circles now. We draw 9 circles. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is our first group of circles. We have 9 circles.
8.
You draw 9 circles. Draw 9 circles. Draw 9 circles. No, you don't have to draw. I just draw another. Okay, so we have. Are you done, right? Are you done drawing your 9 circles? Okay, so now we draw another 9 circles. We draw another 9 circles. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have another 9 circles. You can also draw them on your. We're done.
Keep it quiet.
Are you done? Are we all done writing? Did we all draw our 9 circles? So now, we will count the number of circles we have left. We're going to count all the circles that we have and put it here so that our spaceship can fly away. We need this number so that our spaceship can fly away. So let's count them together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, So we have 18 now. Okay? This is what our aliens need so they can fly away. We give them the 18. Did you see that? We give them the 18 and now they're fine. And then we gave them what they wanted. They're not going to bother us anymore. How many did you get? Okay, so now we have counted. Now we have 9 and 9. When we bring them together, we get 18. We have 9 and 9. Bring them together, we get 18. Okay. So now, we'll make it a bit hard, ne? We'll make it a bit hard. So, this one we'll do, ne? This one we'll do now. We have, let's say we have 2. Ne? We have our 2 here. What number comes after 2? Yes. We have 3 after 2. Ne? We have 3. And what do we have to add in order to get 3? What do we add to? What must we add to 2? If we want to get 3. Yes. We must add 1 here, ne? So that we can get 3. So we have our 3 here, ne? We have our 3. Let us make 2 groups of 3s, ne? We are going to draw 3 things here. Wait, we don't concentrate on this, ne? The number that we want is this one, ne? This is the number that we want. So we have, let's draw 3 things. What 3 things can we draw? Yes? 3 diamonds. Okay, so we have our first diamond, our second diamond, and then diamond number 3, our third diamond. It's the same thing. Diamond number 3 and third diamond are the same. Yes. So we have 3 diamonds. If we bring another 3 here, so we have 3 diamonds. If we draw another 3 diamonds, what do we get? If we have 3 and add another 3 to it, yes? We get 6, ne? So now, wait, don't be angry yet. We will do this without drawing now, ne? We'll do this without drawing now. I want to see if you understand. Let's say we have 2 dogs. We have 2 dogs, ne? And we bring 2 more dogs. What do we get? We get 4, ne? Let's say we have 7 cats. Do you know when we were learning about cats and pets? We have 7 cats. Do you see 7? 7 cats in total. We have 7 cats. If we bring another 7 cats, how many do we get? Let's count them together. It's 7, and we bring another 7. Excuse me. We have 7, and we bring another 7. What do we get, please? We get 14, ne? We get 14.
I didn't.
Okay, let's continue, ne? Let's continue. Let's say we have one teacher. We have one teacher, ne? Do you see the teacher?
Yes.
We have one teacher. And we bring another teacher. How many do we get?
2.
We get 2, ne? This is because we use one number and we bring another number that is the same, ne? To get a bigger number. If we have, do you see Sakile? If we had 2 Sakilas here in class, then let's say we have 2 Sakilas here in class, and we bring another 2 Sakilas. How many will we have? We'll have 4 Sakilas. Just imagine if we had 4 Sakilas here in class. So let's say we have 4. Let's say we have let's say we have 6 buckets, ne? It's a bucket. Do you know that song? Yes. So let's say we have 6 buckets. Wait, no. Let's say we have 6 buckets, ne? We have 6 buckets and we bring another 6 buckets. How many do we get in total? We get 12, ne? So, let me show you this. So let me show you, ne? Using this. Let me show you using this colored blocks, ne? Let me erase here. This spaceship needs to fly away now. Let's fly away. It's gone now. So our spaceship is gone, ne? So let's do it like this. We have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's say we have 1 block. Do you see the 1 block? We have another block here. 2. Wait, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Remember, guys. Remember, ne? We're making a video today, so we must not make noise, ne? Yes, let us continue. We have, let's say we have 3 blocks, ne? How many can we add if we are adding the same number of blocks? How many can we add? We need to add another 3, ne? So let's add them. 1. So how many do we have now? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many do we have in total? We have 6. This is because we use 3 blocks at first. Then because we use 3 blocks at first, and we added another 3 blocks. And what do we get? Okay, let's say we have 6 blocks now. Well, we have 6 blocks, when we add another 6 blocks to it. 1, 2, 3. Then we have 6 blocks, and we added another 6 blocks. How many do we have now? Let's count them together. We have 12. Okay, let's count them in the class. Now let's count them together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when you take the 6 and bring another 6, what do we get? Yes. It's not 13. It's 12. No? This is because you were standing. It's because you were standing. Let's count them, no? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No? And then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 blocks, not 13, no? Yes. So now, can you give me just one number that we can use before we end our class? One number that we can use, né, to build a bigger number using the same number. Yes? We can use 5. Okay. Let's say we have 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Né? This means you must bring another 5 so that we can build a bigger number. Né? Yes, so let's bring another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And let's count them together so we can find the total number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we used 5 and we brought another 5. Ne? What did we get? We got 10. Ne? Okay. Do you know what we call this? Do you know what we call this? When we bring two numbers that are the same together. Yes? It's not taking away. We are building our numbers. We are building our numbers. Ne? What do we call it? Yes? We call it doubling. Ne? We call this doubling. I will give you more stuff ne, that you can use so that you can understand it more. Ne? I will give you some papers that you can use so that you can understand our doubling topic more. Ne? For now, we will be done with our class. Ne? But I'm going to give you more stuff that you can use. Ne? I will give you more stuff that you can use so that you can have a fun class. Ne? We're going to have a fun class next time. Ne? So for now, we are done with our class. Ne? Thank you.
Thank you very much.